Welcome to our channel where today we'll show you exactly how to activate Disney Plus on your LG TV step by step so you can start streaming instantly. Welcome to our channel. If you just got an LG TV and want to enjoy Disney Plus, you're in the right place. Let's dive into the step-by-step process of activating Disney Plus on your LG TV and get you streaming in no time. First, make sure your LG TV is connected to the internet. Without internet access, you won't be able to download or activate any apps. To check, press the home button on your remote and navigate to the settings gear icon. From there, select network and ensure your Wi-Fi or wired connection is active and working properly. Once your internet is set up, press the home button again and access the LG Content Store. This is where all downloadable apps reside. Use the search function within the Content Store and type Disney Plus carefully. When the Disney Plus app appears in the search results, select it. Now you can install the app by clicking the Install button. The download and installation process should only take a few moments depending on your internet speed. After the app installs, press the home button once more, and you will see the Disney Plus app icon on your home screen or in the apps list. Click on this icon to launch Disney Plus. Now you will see the activation screen with a code displayed on your LG TV. Take note of this code exactly as it appears because it is required for the next step. On a separate device such as a smartphone, tablet, or computer, open your preferred web browser and go to the official Disney Plus activation website. Enter your TV's code when prompted and log into your Disney Plus account if necessary. If you don't have an account, you will need to create one on the Disney Plus website prior to activation. Once the code is accepted, your LG TV will recognize your login credentials and link your device to your Disney Plus subscription. This process activates Disney Plus so you can start streaming your favorite movies and shows instantly. In case the activation screen doesn't appear, or if there is an error, try uninstalling and reinstalling the app or restarting your LG TV. Keeping your TV firmware updated is also essential for smooth app performance. Just navigate to your TV settings to check for software updates. Following these steps will ensure you have Disney Plus activated and ready to entertain you on your LG TV without hassle. Now you know how simple it is to activate Disney Plus and dive into a world of incredible content anytime you want. Don't forget to explore the app's many features, including profiles, downloads, and curated collections that enhance your viewing experience on your LG TV.